Hey everyone, this is Mike Mello, broker associate, preferred real estate brokers, coming to you today to show you this 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with 2,204 square feet here just east of the Lake Nona area in Orlando, Florida. So let's go ahead and flip the camera and show you this home. As you can see, it's a very sunny day here. We got some sort of issue going on with the water flow over there. But this home is going to be basing at $336,990. Again, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. So let's go ahead and go inside and show you this home and the layout to see if it would work for what you're looking for. So as we come in, it's got a nice little entryway here that's spacious. And then over to the left is a dining area, as you can see. It does have a area to go through into the kitchen. So, and as we come over here, it's very open plan with a nice kitchen here. And again, there's that doorway going into the dining room area. And then we also have a breakfast nook area here, a living room space. And then going out through that door over there goes to the 2-car garage. So let's go ahead, let me show you the view from this direction. So you can see nice living area down here. Let's go upstairs and show you what's upstairs. So if you're looking to buy or sell real estate in the Central Florida area or anywhere nationwide, make sure you give me a call. My number is 407-487-3030. I'd be more than happy to help you out, ensure you get well taken care of. So as we come up here, we have a full bathroom here. And then if we go down this area, we're gonna have our laundry room right next to this master bedroom area, which goes into the master bath with its dual sinks there. We do have a walk-in closet over here that's got the energy efficient light switch on it. Goes by sensor. Then we go back down the hallway to show you the other 2 bedrooms. This is a nice little area for doing some work. And then we have bedroom number 2 right here. This one does have a walk-in closet. It's nice and bright, a very big walk-in closet. That could probably be used as like a little mini office. And then back over here to bedroom number 3, which has your regular size closet, as you can see. So that's this home. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2,204 square feet. And if you're interested in seeing this home, make sure you give me a call. Again, my name is Mike. My phone number is 407-487-3030. Be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Hope to meet some of you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.